Yo, 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 Team Triggerfold here. Today we're going to look at the CMStorm membrane keyboard. Yeah, I got this keyboard for $30 off of Amazon. Okay, so this, this shit's dusty. I haven't used it in ages. Alright.
That was intact already? Yeah. Okay.
So this keyboard lights up blue. It's not so bright. It just goes on and off. When you have the lights off, you can't even see the letters, which is the only thing I don't like about this keyboard. So I usually keep it on. So, and this is the volume button. These buttons I don't even use. Yeah. Let me show you what's underneath the keycaps. Just kidding, I don't want to break it. Yeah, it also came with this beautiful blue mouse with different DPIs. I don't really remember what the DPIs are.
Yes.
But yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so let's do a sound test.
6.
Can you guys keep it down? We're doing a sound test. Do you not understand English?
Alright, so that's how the keyboard sounds like. And let's do a mouse test, sound testing.
I'm not sure they'll be able to hear that.
Okay.
Unless you hold it up to the camera.
Alright. Okay.
I didn't know mice sounded different. Oh well.
Alright. So, that's all I have for today. If you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section in the video.
You want to show how it sounds like when you don't bottom out?
When I don't bottom out, how it sounds like? It's kind of hard to do it though, because it just like sucks it into the bottom.
This is true.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Come on, let us in. Come on, little boy.
Alright, Team Triggerful signing out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But if you don't like this video, please like it anyways. It's very appreciated.
Team Triggerful out.